Hey YouTube, it's Louise. I want to show you how you can attach a cord to something without having a grommet or a pull out or a tie out. So what I've done is I've just taken a small pebble and I picked one that was smooth and I've stuck it underneath this. This is my bug net, and I just want a way of tying a cord to it so I can suspend it high up from a tree branch or something. And then I just take my cord and I wrap it around the base of the pebble, and then I'm just going to tie it so I wrap around a couple times. There's a single knot, and then I'm just doing a second knot, and then a third knot. And you want to do a square knot, not a granny knot, so you can look up how to do that. Okay, so I've just tied it off 3 times, and now I've got a cord attached to this where I can tie it up and have the center point higher up so that the rain doesn't pool on it. Alright, so hopefully you find that useful.